I don't even know if I should put the glasses on. What do you guys think? Do I look like James Bond? Do I? Alright, yeah, I'm not gonna wear these for this video. So yeah, I really wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about my love-hate relationship with social media. Particularly, I'm gonna be talking about Instagram today because for any of you guys who've been following me for like over a year or two now, you guys probably have noticed that I've not been really consistent on Instagram compared to like 2019. In 2019, at one point I was posting once a day, every single day, and that went from once a day, every single day, to once a week, every single week. And now we're at a point where my last post, well, not my last post, but I posted January 11th 2021. Then my next post after that was February 11th 2021. So it's really here and there. Me and my relationship with Instagram and posting, my posting has been really off, but it is what it is. How it really started off was when I decided to take a break from social media, which I suggest that any one of you guys do. It's really good sometimes. The thing about it though is that we're constantly trying to get the most out of our Instagram accounts in terms of the vanity metrics, in terms of the likes, the engagements, the shares, because we need to maintain that social media presence. So whenever we do take a break, sometimes it affects the algorithm. It's real, by the way. The algorithm is a real thing. So yeah, when I came back on Instagram from a break, I took this break basically to build my relationship with God. So Bible studies, all of that, research, yeah. And when I came back from this break to Instagram and I posted a photo, my engagement went, yo, for every Jamaican watching, you know the chop. You get me? And it was crazy because I was not used to like getting a certain level of likes anymore, because it was like up here at one point, but then it went back all the way down. But at the end of the day, I still have to be grateful for my supporters. So big up on yourself every time. So yeah, continuing with the rant. Social media encourages us to post as often as we can to maintain a healthy relationship or a good relationship with the algorithm, and that really can, in terms of a negative impact on us as persons and even us as creators, because sometimes we're so focused on creating consistently, so we're focused on the quantity of the work we produce instead of the quality. So sometimes like producing at this level of quantity puts the quality here sometimes. So the quality like usually would be here, but it diminishes because you're focusing on producing so often instead of producing your best possible work. So I think sometimes we need to just take a step back from the social media and just put some time into ourselves as human beings and ourselves as creators. We need to go out more with our smartphones. Zimase, yeah, peep the Palm Street logo on the phone. Is it me? Guys, go and follow the Palm Street on Instagram. That's my personal brand. That's my photography business. Eventually gonna branch off, but that's for another video. We'll talk about that next time. Cool. Yeah, where was I? Yes, so we need to take breaks for ourselves as as people and artists, because sometimes we're so caught up in producing that it kind of like creates this like robotic interaction where it's like you program a machine to just work and it does that until it eventually crashes and burns and ultimately dies. I feel like as human beings we owe it to ourselves to just relax and just take a breath sometimes. Alright, here's some quick tips to improve your Instagram, guys. Let's go in today's video. Why do I do this? I'm trying my best to actually produce work for you guys again, like really good quality work, but at times you need to be producing for yourselves as a creator. You need to step back. I know you feel like you owe it to your subscribers and your followers to like produce, but sometimes you just really need to produce for yourself. This is why you guys should actually step back. You guys should probably try to aim to like reach out more and create with persons who are interested in doing the same thing that you guys are. Hopefully this will help you guys to become better social media persons, whatever that means. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. A bientôt.